Samsung is giving away $1 million to anyone who can find a bug in their software. It seems that Samsung is taking the quality of their software very seriously, although in this case, we are specifically talking about a security-related bug. Samsung has been running this same campaign for several years, but now they have increased the reward amount for users who can discover any vulnerabilities that attackers might exploit. This program is called Samsung Mobile Security Rewards and was announced in 2017. According to Samsung's latest annual financial report, this program has already paid out nearly $5 million in total to different users for finding some bugs. Therefore, Samsung has now raised the maximum amount to $1 million, and the minimum amount for simpler bugs is $100,000. So evidently, the reward amounts can vary depending on where you find that vulnerability. It seems to me that if you find a vulnerability directly in Samsung's Knox system, which is their most robust system, you can reach very high amounts of money. On the other hand, if you find a vulnerability in simpler applications of the system, you could also receive a reward but not as large. All the official information is published on the Samsung Mobile Security blog, so if you really enjoy examining system security or hacking and such things, it might be something attractive for you. My moment has come.